We are visiting Austin after pandemic. We have not been here for over a year. This is the hotel we are staying, and they do not require customers to have masks on, but some of the staffs, they are still wearing masks. And the hotel is quite clean, but they do not do the room service every day. If you need room service, you can call and arrange the cleaning. We are here to pick up peaches. This is outside of Austin. We are heading to the field to pick up the peaches. Oh wow, okay. I think these are peach trees. Yeah, there are peaches on the tree. Wow, that's a really good one. Is that a good one?
Yeah, it's hard.
Okay.
I'm looking for the best peaches.
Wow, this is cool. Okay. Then you put in this box. Each box can hold probably 20 pounds, right? Oh, this tree has tons of peaches.
Okay, so let me start from this tree.
You want to start from this tree? Okay.
I didn't see very red ones.
Probably needed to pick a big one, soft one.
Soft one. I thought I was going to get the red ones.
These peaches are so pretty. This peach is really, really pretty. Quite big. Look. It's really pretty. This peach tree probably has over 100 peaches on this. A lot. But they are relatively small. Here has a very nice one.
Which one?
This one, you think? Yeah. Here are the peaches we picked so far. They're pretty nice. That's a pretty nice one. Peach shaped. This is a very cute peach. They grow together. This is a field. They have tons of peaches. A lot.
High peach standards.
These are the peaches we picked today. It's probably over 40 pounds. Each box is over 20 pounds. Some of them are really, really big.